What's up, guys? Today we're going to be continuing our stock plugin series. So last time we went ahead and made a beat with 𝗗𝗙𝗣𝗘𝗥𝗧𝗦. So today we're going to be checking out the Sytrus plugin. So we're going to be trying to make it a beat with this. So it's kind of an OG plugin. So this is the sound we're starting with for our melody. It is called 𝗗𝗛𝗣𝗘𝗥𝗘𝗡𝗧. So let's grab a scale and let's do an F minor. You can do any key that you want. Let's close this. And we just want to start with a nice grand main melody, 165 BPM. It's the BPM that I'm using. Starting our F. We can use a dyad for this. And a quick way we can make a melody from this is literally just pull this up an octave and then you can just start adding in notes. I'm gonna copy these over so it's you see we already kind of got something going. I'm gonna use this little technique. So if we make a chord upwards, a chord backwards, you can get some notes for your bass line. You see, it's pretty easy, right? So what I'm gonna do now is just kind of fill in these notes. Now we can steal from what we already have. So if you want to kind of bounce back between some of these notes, so I'm gonna just try to find a nice rhythm for it though. So you could do start this here. So I'm gonna pull this F and I want to do a thirds like rhythm like this. Okay, I think I'm happy with that for our like first pass, and then let's pull this over and we're just gonna change this up a little bit. I'm gonna just listen to it and see where I want to go with it. I think we could go down and move up from it. Oops. Back into our F. And that means we'll have to kind of redo these notes. I'm gonna just pull these down. We can just erase these and start over. I kind of want to keep the melody the same, so I think I'm gonna use this. I think I'm happy with this so far, just this little change. So I'll play it one time through. Let's get it all on screen. All right, so now we got a loopable melody. Let's move on to our next sounds. Next up, we have this orchestral sound. So what I'm gonna do, obviously, just copy this over here. You can see it sounds a little bit full now, so I like that. And I'm gonna actually put this on bar so they loop, so it won't just be empty space. And then we're gonna be using this sound. We can like kind of put a lead here. So I'm gonna just steal our melody we made earlier. So pretty much like this. Just gonna steal this melody. Actually, I'm just copy it over like this and then just delete the bottom. And then we can kind of work with this. Then we can do some flams. Let's bring it back. Okay, I think that's good. Now I'm gonna pull this one down a little bit, and I do want this to be in mono, kind of. So it's already in mono. Why is it not? It might be the release of the echo, but it's fine. We'll just pan it one side and pan this other. Okay, I think that's a good balance. I'm not gonna add effects because last time I added effects and I just want to have something that's completely stock. So now we're gonna go ahead and make the beat. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our drums. So we got 3 drums here. I want to keep this bare bones. So we're just gonna steal from here. If I could find, here we go. We could steal these notes here and we can just copy them right over here. And just put them in those traditional spots that the 808 would sit at. So something like this. I wish you could make every 4 bars. I wish this, like, it was a lot easier to see because it's like no different, no shade difference. It's kind of hard to see, but anyway, let's pull this all the way up, just make it quick, and then we're just gonna put this on bar and it should copy all the way. Throw in a little clap, and then our hi-hats, we can just do this manually since we only have a few drums. I'm gonna do it like this. We have more space. Oops. Let's put this to 1/4. Here, I'm gonna just mute some of these. Then let's pull that up. I'm gonna copy this over and then delete. And we can throw in one of these here. All right, goes perfect with the melody. Copy it over. I think that should be good. Probably need to mix it a little bit, but whatever. It's not that serious. Let's play it all together, and I'll just mix it as we go if we need. So. And before we end, I'm gonna show you the mix just because we didn't have effects. So all I have here is I have the soft clipper, and this is at around -8 dB for this. This can change. It'll just kind of crush down the 808, but I kind of like it a little rumbly. And then EQ. Now this is probably the best besides like the regular version 1 of the EQ, but this is probably the best EQ in FL. One of them at least. It's like 3 of them, but this one's my favorite because it has so many tools you can use, but this is just what I usually throw on. So you have so much control over each frequency. But yeah, that's it. That's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.